Hello po! Ako po si Olan Junio mula sa PSHS CVC Batch 2010 Lycos Vintages. Happy 28th anniversary po sa inyong lahat! As I reflect on this milestone, I am filled with so much pride and nostalgia. Noong panahon kasi namin, nasa NVSU pa lang ang Pisay. Isa siyang two-story building na pinagsisiksikan naming 300 students. Kasama na rin ang teachers natin at of course ang ating staff. And seeing how much our school has grown and evolved is really, really amazing. Kaya congratulations po sa ating lahat. Despite all the changes, both gains and some losses, nanatili ang Pisay sa kanyang misyon sa paghubog ng mga kabataan. Hindi lamang sa larangan ng agham at teknolohiya, kundi pati na rin sa larangan ng sining, humanidades at marami pang iba. Pisay did just gift me with a top-tier secondary education. It gave me a foundation, a home where my dreams were nurtured, and my character was molded. Hindi ko mararating ang kinalalagyan ko ngayon kung hindi dahil sa disiplina, passion for excellence, at deep sense of purpose na ininstill ng Pisay sa akin. Ngayong 28th anniversary ng Pisay CVC, as we honor the greats who trailblazed great paths before us, we must also strive to become the new greats they believed we could be. Mga ading, as you journey through the crests and summits of your life, never forget where you came from. Pisay will always be a part of you as it has been a part of me. Bilang scholar ng bayan, may malaki tayong responsibilidad. Enjoying Pisay education is not just a privilege. It comes with a promise that we need to fulfill. Utang natin ang ating edukasyon sa sambayan ng Pilipino, kaya't marapat lamang na paglingkuran natin sila. Patuloy tayong magsikap, maglingkod at panatilihing naglalagablab ang diwa ng Pisay sa lahat ng ating ginagawa. As a proud alumnus and your kuya, I would say that Pisay will always be a part of me, a part of us. Let's make sure we remain a part of it by giving back and making it proud. Marami pong salamat at mabuhay ang Pisay.